Today we're going to make a salad. It's really hot today. We are in the middle of summer. We prefer eating salads because it's much lighter on your stomach. We have some deliciously sourced ingredients here. I'm going to show you what we're going to make. We're going to put all of this together and make a delicious salad. So firstly, we will start with our brown rice. This is organic brown rice, which goes really well with salads. So just take a shortcut and just put it all in there. I'm going to add the lettuce, which we sourced from a local fruit and vegetable stand. This is a soft type of lettuce. We're just going to add this on the brown rice, which is an organic brown rice, which goes very well with salads. So we're just going to add some of this here. As you can see, we have quite a bit of it. So maybe I'll just start with half of it. And then we're going to add the yellow plums here, which we got from our friend's garden. So we're just going to put it over here. Actually, we're just going to use all of it because it's really healthy. And then we're going to add the locally sourced pears, which we also got from my friend's garden. There we go. And then I'm going to add, these are sardines, which were dried in the oven with salt and olive oil. So they're nice and crispy and crunchy. So we're just going to add them over here. This is our protein, a healthy protein. And this is freshly squeezed lemon juice, which I mixed with cold pressed olive oil and a little bit of brown sugar and Himalayan salt. So I'm going to shake this first before I use it. And then just gently pour it over. This will absorb into the rice and into the fish and into all the other ingredients. And that's our summer salad. And now I'm just going to gently mix this summer salad that we've just made, just so that we can get the lemon and olive oil dressing spread around a bit. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just gently toss it. And then you can ready to eat. Delicious and nutritious. Now I'm going to taste this delicious summer salad. So let's have a taste. A bit of sardine and all the other ingredients here. Really good. Tasty.
Nutritious and?
Nutritious and delicious.